How can I fix a line busy error when calling someone?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to fix a line busy error when calling someone. It's a common problem we've all experienced at some point, and it can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, there are several methods you can try to get rid of this issue and successfully make your call.
What does line busy mean?
When you attempt to call someone and receive a line busy message, it means the person you're trying to reach is currently on another call or their phone line is not available for some reason. In some cases, the issue might be with your phone or network, rather than with the person you're trying to call.
Checking your network connection.
The first thing to do when you encounter a line busy error is to check your network connection. A poor or unstable network connection could be the culprit. Here's how to do it. 1. If you're using a mobile device, make sure you have a strong cellular signal. 2. If you're using a landline, make sure there are no issues with the phone line or the device itself. 3. Try making a call to a different number to see if the problem persists.
Restarting your phone.
Another common solution to fix a line busy error is restarting your phone. This can help to clear any temporary software glitches that might be causing the issue. 1. To restart an iPhone, hold the side button and volume down button until you see the slide to power off option. Slide it, then press and hold the side button to turn it back on. 2. To restart an Android phone, press and hold the power button and choose the restart option.
Updating your phone's software.
Sometimes, the issue can be due to outdated software on your phone. Therefore, updating your phone's software can potentially fix the line busy error. 1. On an iPhone, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. 2. On an Android phone, go to Settings, System, System Updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. In conclusion, we've learned that there are several potential solutions to a line busy error when calling someone. You can check your network connection, restart your phone, or update your phone's software. If none of these methods work, the issue might be with the person you're trying to call, not with your phone or network. Hopefully, this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.